Assalamualaikum people, my name is Farhein and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a fashion video. I don't know about you guys, but I used to have this misconception that denim can only be worn on a casual basis, and therefore whenever I had to go out on a party or in a fancy gathering, I used to avoid wearing denims and go for a dress instead. But when I was rearranging my wardrobe the other day, I realized that there's so much that we can do with a basic simple denim. And that's what we're going to do in today's video. I'm going to show you how I created 6 not so casual denim outfits from my existing wardrobe. So let's get started. Today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give a big thumbs up and do let me know in the comment section below which were your favorite outfit among those 6. I'm also thinking of doing a denim week starting from next Monday, where I will be wearing these same denims but in a casual way, and I will be posting it on my Instagram stories. And if you want to share your denim outfits with me, all you have to do is post a picture on Instagram with the hashtag FariBlogDenim, and I will be reposting all the cool outfits on my Instagram stories as well. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and do watch my dance videos whenever you're free if you want to, and let me know about them as well. Bye!